Boys, question 21a asks you to quite simply define epidemiology. If we're just going to have a look and see from the syllabus whereabouts we'd get this from, we'd notice it's in our first dot point, straight underneath where it talks about HSC Core 1. Our first dot point, measuring health status, the role of epidemiology, some measures of epidemiology. We just go back to our sample answer here. What we'll notice with this answer is, first of all, it's a pretty simple question. It's two out of two. There's some underlining of key words. So epidemiology has been underlined, health status, health, disease, the four measures, mortality, infant mortality, life expectancy, morbidity. But also what he's done well in this is he clearly states the meaning of epidemiology. He also refers to what epidemiology does in terms of providing population groups most affected by the illness or disease. It's a clear and concise answer, and it also identifies, as I said before, the measures used in epidemiology. When we look at the overall responses from students, most students were able to clearly define epidemiology, which was very, very good, and we'd expect them to for a pretty simple question out of two. However, some of the things that we struggled with was that only a few students, that they lacked a clear definition, and instead of providing examples of epidemiological measures, because example could be things along the lines of, CVD is the leading cause of death. What they did instead, they just gave the measures of epidemiology, mortality, morbidity rates, etc. Okay, so they need to look at more into providing examples of epidemiological measures and what they actually do try to measure to allow people to get information about a certain illness or disease of a specific age group. So that was question 21A, which was worth 2 marks. So students should have done well in that one.